What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a bean and cheese burrito, but we're gonna mix in a few different other things just to kind of spice it up a little bit. So let's get into some ingredients. All right, so right here we got one jalapeno and about a quarter of white onion. We're gonna get that down first. Let's just get it turned up. Kind of get that oil spread out all around it. Ooh, buddy, you can smell that. Ooh. All right, boom, let's just let that chill. Let it go. Now let's get this chorizo. Right here, we got one, I guess, stick. Ooh, man, that onion is getting me. Pork chorizo. This is the, easy stuff you can get at the store. Just real simple. I know, it looks really, really pretty coming out. So boom, let's just move this stuff a little bit. We're gonna just chop this up. This does not take long at all to cook up. Boom, this stuff does not take long at all. Let's just let this stuff go for a hot second. We'll bring you right back. All right, so the griddle's at 400 degrees right now. I did turn it down a little. I have this burner off, all the way low, and a medium. So yeah, we're about 400 in the hot zone over here. So I'm gonna take the chorizo's done. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna put it over here on this shop towel over here. Just let some of that grease get out of there because I don't want the beans to be all like real liquidy. I want them to be kind of a little thick at least. So boom, we're gonna put the beans right down here. And I'll have to grab that can, show you what kind of beans I got. These are not homemade beans. I'm perfectly fine with the beans that come out of the can. The kind that I use, I like them. So yeah, didn't see a need to get all into making my own stuff. So now we're gonna let this stuff warm up real quick and we're just about there. All right, now I got a little bit of oil down. I got some leftover Spanish rice from the taqueria the other day. So I'm just gonna put that down right here. Get that going. Very choppy. Let it warm up and get all good. I did put the veggies over here. So them are going good. The beans are going good. Smelling delicious. I'm telling you, the flavors that are coming off this stuff is amazing. Ooh, wow. Those pop right in my face. All right. Now, these are the beans that I'm using, by the way. Just, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's what we use. And yeah, it's some pretty good stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna just get this stuff done. I'm gonna get a tortilla toasting up, bring you in what I'm building. All right, so right here we got the tortillas. I got the beans over here. We got the rice right here. And the veggies right here. So the only thing not pictured, cheese. We got the Mexican style blend. So let's build some stuff. All right, now I did one of them with no peppers and stuff because I know my daughter's not gonna want that. So we got a little more oil left here. We're gonna sear this bad boy. Get a nice little sear on there. Oh man, so excited. All right, I think we're good to go here. Ooh, yeah, we got nice toast on that. Yup. Ooh, diving in. All right, let's dive in. Now, the shells that I got are all that the store had. I wanted the El Milagro shells. They're like kind of thinner and they're bigger, but they had the Mission ones. They're kind of thicker and smaller. I mean, they work. I mean, the burrito's not that big. Like, I mean, it's really not that big, but I mean, it's enough for a little meal, right? So let's dive in. Really good flavor from that chorizo and the beans. Nice crunchiness on those veggies. That jalapeno is really good. Got some spice actually, I think. That Spanish rice. I love getting extra rice from the restaurant just to bring home and make for stuff like this because it's amazing. Now, throw a little Taco Bell on here since I got this idea from Taco Bell. Hot. A lot of cheese in that bite. Oh, I love cheese. I mean, that's all it is, guys. Really easy. Obviously, this video should be fairly quick. I mean, easy ingredients, easy to throw together. Get it done, make your own. Let me know what you put in there, what you take out. Like to hear from other people how they do it, because I like experimenting with this kind of stuff. So yeah, let me know. I appreciate you coming by. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. See you on the next one. Thanks.